taro, an amazing root crop. Their leaves are also edible. And we have ferns, perfect for salad. This morning, I want to show you how I feed my plants with fermented plant juice. So what I do, I just collect mature leaves of taro and other vegetables that we were not able to consume. Just drop them here and add some water, cover it, and wait for them to decompose. So this fertilizer is actually rich in nitrogen because I put green leaves here. So the first thing that we will do is to collect the water and put it in this sprinkle, and later on we will feed the plants. Okay, so let's just get the juice like that. So if you have a big container like a drum, so you can use that. But in my case, I just have a small garden, that's why I just use this. I only have a few plants to feed. And here we are now. These are the vegetables that we are going to feed, these lovely mustards. Okay, so actually this is what we eat on a regular basis. That's why we always have this in our garden. hmm So especially in a Filipino diet, wherein you cook sinigang, or you can just add uh, sardines or salad. Okay, so we have ginger here. There we are. Okay, that's a lot of them. Healthy. So we prefer applying organic gardening because we are after quality of food. Okay, what else? We are health conscious, and of course, we are able to save money. So let's just water them. Okay, so that's how I feed my vegetables. So we just collect leaves, whatever available leaves in our garden, and decompose them with water, ferment them, and just bring them back to the soil. That's the beauty of organic gardening. Okay, so you don't have to um, waste money. Actually, if you're after quality of food, if you want to get rid of those chemicals, okay, then you can also do this. It's not getting out. Okay. Mm. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and you can also do the same. Organic. Growing food organically is amazing, actually. Let's get what's left and put them here. So we have chilies. So that's how I do it. So I was able to feed my plants regularly. So I do this every week. So I ferment uh, leaves and other vegetables here and put them back to the soil. That will help my vegetables and grow food organically like this. This is my sponge gourd. it really works. So you can also do the same. Thank you.